G'day. Follow up on my 82 Spectre. Building oil pressure, pull the spark plugs out, lift one back wheel off the ground, start cranking the wheel with her in top gear. A few minutes, I had oil pressure. So we can get the electrics working now. Anderson plug's a bit grotty. Give her a bit of a spray, check the voltage. See how we go this time. Okay, give that wheel another crank, see if we've got some spark. Yep, we've got some spark. Give her another crank over. See if we've got pulse for the ignition. That goes moving. Oil pressure coming up. Lovely. A couple of litres of fuel in the fuel tank. Quick splash in the carburetor. Put the spark plugs back in. Give her a crank to see if we can get some fuel up to the carby. Watch over my left shoulder. See the first signs of life. Here it comes. There she is. A few minutes of cranking. Some fuel into that carburetor. Splutter, backfire. There she's running. 12 years of sit. Thanks for watching.